let's try this again. I was just about ready when everything messed up. Okay, so my recipe calls for a cup of butter, which is 2 sticks of butter. So we're going to put 2 sticks of butter in here. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, 2 sticks of butter. That is softened. That was soft. I left it out on the counter all day. Alright. It calls for 1/2 cup of sugar. This is a real simple recipe, and when you tell people it's potato chips, they don't believe you. Alright, so, whoops. We're going to mix that together. Alright, a teaspoon of vanilla. It's approximately a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I need 1 3/4 cups of flour. And my flour, y'all can see, whoops. I've already got it sifted over here. I've sifted a whole pot full. Alright, so 1 3/4 cups of flour. Here's 1 cup, a little dipped off. And approximately 3/4 there. Alright, then it calls for a 3/4 cup of Lay's, whoops, come over here where you can see, Lay's potato chip. These have got to be crushed. Alright, so that's approximately 4 cups uncrushed. And then I just get something that's easy to crush them down like so. And let's see. That's just about right. We'll put just a few more in there. Crush them. Yep. Alright. You're going to dump the potato chips in like that. See the potato chips in there? Alright. Now what we're going to do is to put this in the refrigerator in a separate bowl, because we got to use this mixer again. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to chill, because you want to be able to roll it in a ball. Okay, so then we're going to roll it in a ball, and we're going to bake it 10 to 15 minutes on 350. So once you bake it, you take it out, put it in a container with some powdered sugar, powder it on top, kind of rustle it around a little bit. You don't want to break them, so rustle it around a little bit. And then you powder them up real good with some powdered sugar, and you serve them. And when you tell people they're potato chip cookies made with real potato chips, they probably won't believe you, because they never believed me. So anyway, Let's see what I can do with this. One thing is you want it to get the butter to get hard enough again. And see that? You can see how pretty that is. This is a delicious cookie. And the recipe doesn't make very many. There's no eggs. Alright, so I'm going to put it in this thing so I can make, my brother wanted some oatmeal cookies. I made chocolate drop oatmeal cookies, but he didn't want those. So, he wants the regular old-fashioned oatmeals. Alright, so we're going to do that. And I cleaned out most of the potato chip cookies. So I'm just going to use that bowl. Okay. So I'm going to put some saran wrap on it. See what my family has done here. Oh, I see. It goes like this. This is some new stuff here. You just run it across like that. How about that? Alright, I'm going to cover it in saran wrap. You don't want it to take on the flavors of the refrigerator if there's anything in there that's... And sometimes we have kimchi in there. So, that's what it's going to do for about an hour. And we'll take it out. Okay. I'll come back to you in just a little bit. Hey guys. I don't know if I pushed the play on the oatmeal cookies, finishing up them or not. Anyway, we're going to work on the potato chip cookies. And the butter has thickened up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the dough in our hands. I'm going to roll it into a ball. We're just going to keep doing that until we've used all of the dough. And we just lay them on there. Try to make them all the same size. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you think you got it right, and then you roll it around, and there it is. Okay. So the potato chips are there. Let's see if this makes one about right. These are some of the best cookies. These are the ones that always people can't believe it, and so they have to try one. And most people want to come back for seconds and thirds unless they're going somewhere, because the powdered sugar gets all over their clothes. Alright. So this is probably going to make two of these pans full. I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited about company, about my being together with family. I'm sorry my son won't be here, but our daughter will, and almost all my brothers. 4 of them, let's see, 3 of them will be here. All right, so that's all I can put on that pan. So let me wash my hands. All right. I've got a pan of oatmeal cookies in there already. Down on the bottom, there's the oatmeal cookies. They're not brown yet. The last batch isn't. I'm going to make sure the potato chip cookies cook at 350 also. Yes, they do. So that was good. Both of them cook at the same recipe, at the same temperature. So a lot of times what I do when I'm waiting on those to come out is I'll go ahead and roll up these so they'll be ready just to pop on the pan. That way I'm not wasting precious time here at Christmas time. Y'all know how that is? It's Christmas time. It takes everything we've got to get all this stuff done. Christmas comes and goes so fast. When my children were little, I wrapped up a small present for the 12 days before Christmas. And every morning of the 12 days before Christmas, they would get up, they would eat their breakfast. The days that they were going to school, they would make their beds and get ready for school, eat their breakfast. And before they left for school, they got to open their day gift, we called it. And I bought them little day gifts, packaged them up under the tree, and labeled them day 1, day 2, day 3, all the way to day 12. And they would climb under the tree and hunt those presents. And it was always such a joy to see their little faces. Of course, as they got older, it got harder to do. I think when my son was 14, that was the last year that we did day gifts, because it could get expensive trying to, I mean, you know, when they're little, you can buy them a coloring book, a box of colors. You can buy them new underwear, a toothbrush, some neat Christmas socks. You know, go to the dollar store and buy, you know, just little things. My son never did appreciate the underwear for Christmas. But it was a real neat way, because I don't know how it is at your house, but Christmas comes so fast. It seems like it takes forever, and then it's here and it's gone, and the children have hardly had a chance to really enjoy it. And my kids really enjoyed the day gifts. My son, he was easy to please with the day gifts, because he just wanted things to do drama and skits, and I was on a puppet team when he was a kid, so he got into the puppet stuff. But anyway, I just want to show y'all those cookies. Cookies, yep, there they are. These are rolled up and ready, and I'm going to get the others out, and I will let you see the final process in the potato chip cookies. Okay, so here is the potato chip cookies. You can see they're covered in powdered sugar. Give me that tin. My favorite is the potato chip cookie, because you can't tell what it is. Will you eat that for me?
Not on camera.
Okay. Will you take a bite from me on camera? How are they, Dakota?
Nasty, but they're good.